Good morning, I'm Judy M. Arpader. Together with Ma'am Mean Pulido, we're going to discuss the study about the challenges of social studies educator for effective teacher preparation and implementation of the Universal Basic Education Program in Nigeria Junior Secondary Schools, conducted by Ms. UB, Exec B. So these are the outlines that we're going to follow. First is the introduction. The Nigerian government introduced Universal Basic Education or UBE, a program to provide free primary and secondary education for all. It is one of the laudable reforms in education in Nigeria, which is implemented through social studies instruction. Therefore, para magkaroon ng awareness ang mga social science educators sa Nigeria, dapat ma-expose sila sa iba't ibang trainings na align sa objectives ng UBE. Next is the purpose of the study. The main purpose of the study was to find out social studies teachers' instructional capability for effective implementation of the UBE program in junior secondary schools in Orlo Education Zone of Imo State of Nigeria. So first, if the social studies teachers are aware of the objectives of the quality of the teacher preparation program in the terms of UBE. Second, if the social studies is taught to inject creative skills in the learner. Next, the extent of the use of ICTs in teaching social studies in junior secondary schools and UBE program. Ang focus ng study na ito ay kung gaano ba ka-capable ang mga social studies educator to implement the objectives of Universal Basic Education. Next is the methodology. The design adapted for this study is survey, which is aimed at investigating social studies teachers' level of awareness of the objectives and capability of effective implementation of the UBE program. First is the area of the study. The study was carried out in Orlo Education Zone of Imo State of Nigeria. The population of the study consists of all social studies teachers in Orlo Education Zone of Imo State. There are 47 social studies teachers in public and junior secondary schools in the Orlo Education Zone of Imo State. Okay. Next is sample and sampling technique. The sample consisted of 20 social studies teachers that were selected based on two proportionally stratified random sampling techniques. The instrument for data collection was a structured questionnaire titled ESTAO, meaning Social Studies Teachers' Awareness of UBE Objectives, which was designed to answer the 5 research questions. Hypothesis shows that there is no significant relationship on the level of awareness of social studies teacher in the implementation of universal basic education. So, this because hindi ready ang education institution sa pag-i-implement ng UBE. Next, kulang sila sa knowledge about the proper use of technology and education at meron din pong kakulangan sa facilities, trainings, and knowledge both teachers and institution. So these are the research questions. First, to what extent are social studies teachers aware of the objectives of the UBE? Next, how far is social studies taught to inculcate creative skills in the learner? Third, to what extent are ICTs used in the teaching of social studies? The significance of the study. Implement the Universal Basic Education or the UBE in junior secondary school through social studies instruction and adequately inform teachers about the objectives of UBE to equip equip the learners with attitudes, values, knowledge, and skills for functional living in the Nigerian society. The Nigerian society need this kind of reform to help the teachers to transform the students to become a globally competitive individuals. The remaining parts of the study, let us hear from Ma'am Mehan Pulido.